Every one of us dreamt of going to space when we were a child, but we couldn't afford it. Yeah, you know. So, James Webb Space Telescope is going to make our reality into most realistic and to take a closer look. This telescope was named after James E. Webb, who was NASA's second administrator, and he led the lunar exploration programs on the moon with Apollo. The Webb is the successor to Hubble, and it's 100 times more powerful. Webb also has a much bigger mirror than Hubble and has a clearer view of its random target. Hubble can explore 10 to 15 billion light years back, and Hubble has been taking a lot of pictures for 3 decades. But now Hubble is dying. So James Webb, this telescope can see back through quarter billion years, like 100 million or 25 billion light years to be sure, with its magnificent deep scope. NASA started to build this telescope in 1996 and it was a good start, absolutely. It takes some time to make history, am I right? Soon enough, NASA is going to launch its telescope in this year, October 21. Good news for space lovers. Large space telescope optimized for infrared wavelengths, the Webb telescope will find the first galaxies that formed in the early universe and to pierce dusty clouds to see stars forming planetary systems. Because it's his work to do this. It is going to be a super curious journey for the Webb telescope to roam around and to explore the galaxies. And to mention, I'm jealous. In space, where the widespread unknown stars and galaxies are alive, the Webb is ready to take a closer look of them. In space, James Webb have two sides to be separatable. One side of the sun shield will always reflect light and background heat from the sun, earth and moon. Thermal models show that the maximum temperature of the outermost layer of James Webb is 383 Kelvin or nearly 230 degrees of Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, in the other hand, other side of the sun shield will always face deep space and the coldest layer having a moduled minimum temperature of 36 Kelvin or about minus 394 degrees Fahrenheit. It really is cool. Rather than Hubble, James Webb has been designed to focus on the infrared part of the spectrum from 0.6 microns to 28 microns. This means it won't be able to see ultraviolet light like Hubble, but it will be able to see and to focus on infrared bright objects like extremely distant galaxies. James Webb is quite a big product. Its sun shield is about 22 meters by 12 meters. The sun shield is about the size of a tennis court. Finally, I am excited to see how this big guy is going to work off the surface lurking around our orbit. Let's see the new galaxies and stars with James Webb's help. Thank you for watching.